Once again, good evening to all. So yesterday we have discussed about whenever you see, you already have been created your own org structure, right? Enterprise structure. Whenever you create enterprise structure, there is a one organizational important organizational unit that is plant. So if you have defined or created new plant, so for that plant, we have to activate the material ledger. So even though it is a part of material management module, so as a practice, the system, because we are going to create here material, right? So to run the OTC process, we have seen customer master, then followed by material master. Whenever you create a material master, your plant should be in ML activation. So you for your plant, you will activate the material ledger. That material ledger will be, it is just like it is a book. Okay. So where your inventory, whatever may be the material, okay, material value, material quantity, so stock, all the things will be updated in that book. So even though whenever either it may be initial stock or it may be a production process. Initial stock means whenever the company is like switching from non-SAP system to SAP system, right? So whenever there is a switching from non-SAP system to SAP system, so there are initial stock within the plant, right? So there are companies having a initial stock. How that stock will be moved to SAP system? So that will be moved through this initial stock upload. Even though the mass data upload will be there, okay, through either LSMW or LMTC. So that is a part of that only. But whenever if there is a like manually you have to do, again you have to do through the MIGO process by using a MIGO T code, MIGO code. Then you will use the 561 movement type and individually you will upload the stocks. So for activation, we have seen the various steps, right? To activate the material ledger for the valuation area. Valuation area is nothing but your plant. Plant is also called as a valuation area in module. You have gone through the OMS2. So for quantity and value updation, then followed by OMX2, OMX3, and OMX1. Then CKM start is the final step to make it plant as a productive. Okay. So let us see whether we can able to post the stock or not for the yesterday's whatever we have created material na, that let us see today, because it is a newly created plant and we have activated every setup process. Then the material has been created till yesterday we have created a one material, that is chocolate, right? Dairy milk chocolate. Today we will try to post that chocolate into the plant storage location stock, because there are some errors which you may incur during the stock upload. So those are all errors related to the MM and FI integration. And that MM and FI integration will be done by the MM and FI consultant. Since in here in our case it is a pack practice system, we do not have any MM and FI consultant. We do ourselves. How do we fix ourselves those issues during the practice? Let us see here. Okay. Let us go MM60. What is the NRC1? Yesterday we have created for NRC1 plant, right? NRC1 plant. What is the material which we have created? That is
Hello.
Yeah,
Sir, I
yeah.
think you have not shared screen.
Yeah,
Okay. So someone has to say na. Okay. Now it's visible, right?
yeah, it's visible.
Yeah, fine. Thank you. And sorry for that. Huh? See, this yesterday we have seen these many steps how to upload our initial stock, right? So and parallelly, so before uploading, I have already explained that key how to create material, how to create material for your plant and for your sales organization and to your distribution channel. So that we were seen yesterday. Before creating the material master, so your plant should be active. Okay, plant should be plant within the plant. That is a plant is nothing but a valuation area. That valuation area in within the valuation area you will have a material ledger. That is nothing but a one book of account. So that should be active to get your inventory, inventory quantity and inventory value. Okay, inventory cost both should be updated. Then only whenever you create a material, whatever may be the stock, whatever may be the price, that will be updated in the material ledger. To activate that, we have a various steps. We have gone through that and I have shown the entire step. Now we made active also. We made our plant as a productive and active, material ledger activated and plant as a productive also. After that, we created yesterday material, one material code, that is dairy milk choco. This one yesterday we created one material, right? This one we created yesterday one material. This is the material code. So Naresh, any by any chance have you uploaded your stock?
Sir, I tried. I was facing that uh, posting period issue, sir.
Posting period issue. So because of that, I'm going to explain you what are all the issues you are going to face during the stock upload. Okay. Just a 1 minute. We'll yeah, sorry. Let me see the plant stock MB52. MB52 is the T code to see our entire plant stock. NRC1 is the plant. See, zero quantity. Unrestricted quantity is zero and total value of it, the material value will be zero. So now there is no stock, there is no stock value, right? Let us go to try to upload the stock. Dairy milk choco. I'm opening another screen. How to upload the stock? What is the T code?
Mago.
MIGO. Correct. MIGO. What you have to do first thing? First you have to select the A01 R10 561. A01 R10 561. Okay. Then after that, you will go to material code plant code, storage location. Here material is dairy milk choco, quantity is 100. Here plant is NRC1, NRC1, and storage location is NR. What is the storage location, Naresh? NRC1, NRC1, NRC2.
NRC.
NRC2 is the FG storage location. Okay. Press enter. So after this, you will get the details in here. Okay. And whatever you want to edit, you can edit here only. Then this item, okay, should be ticked or enabled. Then click on the check. Click on the check button. You will face this issue. So you will face this issue. So period is, so since 2023, we have to close all the periods. We have to close all the periods. Okay. How to close these periods? Because we are posting these goods. We are posting these goods on today's date. It means we are uploading our stock in today's date. But whereas the posting period is opened only for May 05 means May 2023. So now we have to open for the period May 2025. How to do that? Let us see here. Can anyone know how to open the period?
MMPV.
MMPV and
MMPV.
For MM posting and for FI posting OB52.
OB52. Correct. MMPV is the T code to open the period. Okay. Now NRC1 is the plant or company code. So this is NRC1 is the company code. And here you can enter or either you can keep it blank. And period. So what here it is showing? Here it is showing 05. Now we have to open 06. So 06 2023. We have to start from there. 06 is June 2023. First we have to initially start the 2023 because all period has to be closed and opened. So now tick on the check and close period, then execute. Enter. See, it is, you will get this message. It is check and close period, then period entered. This one 06 2023. Now period closing completed. Log has been issued. You have to get this message. Then only the transaction has got successful. Now sixth period is open now. Now I am going to close sixth June period. I am going to open July period. Same you have to do or continue. Enter. See. So till May you have to do this. So let us finish faster. Now it is in 2023, right? 9. Can someone knows, is there any alternate option?
Sir, can you check for OB52?
OB52.
There we have multiple screen.
OB52 is the transaction code. Posting period variant.
Company code. No.
Variant is different. Posting period variant is different. How we can see posting variant? OBY6. To see the posting period variant, OBY6. What is the company code? NRC1. Enter. Double click this. Okay. Posting period variant is 1710. Okay. Okay, 1710. So again, go back, close this, OB52 1710. Enter. Now it is 2020. Okay, let me. This is only from here. Yes, there. Right? Nothing is there, right? Only pasting period variant from to they have mentioned. Do you have any idea what to update here?
Yeah, we change the that one is mentioned, right?
Which one?
Uh,
Here, huh?
no, the other
This
column.
one.
Yeah,
Okay.
we change over there according to month.
This one,
Uh,
huh?
yeah, and you can make it as an 2025 year 2025.
2025. Okay. Then let me copy all. Control C. Let me try. If it happens, then fine. Otherwise, we will set it to the same only. What was there initially? 2000 only, right?
Yeah,
Okay. Just remember, huh?
yeah.
Let us try. Let us try this. I didn't try this because I have used this method only. Let us go here. Check now. No, it is not working. It is not working, Akash.
Okay, we'll have to check once again.
Let me go Control Y, Control C. Control Y, Control C, Control V. Okay. I am setting to initial only. Okay. I think there is a MMRV is there. MMRV. Company code is NRC1. Enter. This is okay. One thing. Previous period closed. Okay. Let
Okay.
me do this. Meanwhile, could you check someone what is the option it is there or not? Okay,
Sure.
this was yeah. Okay, so I am trying to close the all the periods. Okay, even though this is not your job, you have to close all the periods. Okay, now 2023 is complete. Now what you have to do? 01 2024. Okay, again open close, enter. See, you have to get this message. Always remember this message. Again, 2nd February 2024. 2024 we have opened and we are opening. We are closing 2nd, that is February, and we are opening the March. March has been opened. Now April, enter. So April also opened. May 2024, done. June, enter, enter, execute, enter. Okay. There is a one more option was there. I forget that. 7th. Again, August 2024. Then 9th September. September period is opened. Now October. So whatever I am doing now, I am closing the period. I am opening the new period. So here again 11th November period is opening now. Okay. Now November period is entered. Now December. Now November is closing. December is opening. Okay. Now December 2024 completed. Now go to 01/2025. Okay. Execute. Done. 2. Done. 3. Enter. 4. Enter. And now 5. Then let us see whether it will be working or not. Check this. See now that error gone. Okay. That posting period error gone. You are getting a new error. Okay. There is a account determination error. Account determination for entry YCOA GBB space BSA 7920. Not possible. Okay. So here I will tell you this is a OBYC setting. So this is a OBYC setting. That is nothing but a inventory posting. Inventory posting to GL account. Whenever you upload the stock, right, there is a inventory. Your stock is getting increased in the plant. Whenever there is an increase in the plant, that quantity and amount of that inventory has to be updated in your books, right? Which books? That is a GL code. There is a separate GL code will be there. So in that books of account, it will be updated and it will show the value of the inventory. So how it will be done? So through the OBYC setting. So one is a posting period closure. Posting period closure and open new period. How it will be done? It will be done by using T code MMPV. This is one step. Okay. Here you will enter company code and period. That is period in month, MM and YY. Then select check and close. Check and close period. Then execute. This is the step. Okay. Next is whenever you get this error, account determination for entry. Okay, let me take this screenshot. Okay, let me first paste here. Okay, the above error can be fixed by using T code. Can you note someone? OBYC. OBYC is the setting. Okay. So here YCOA is there now. Here whatever the 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. It is a chart of account. Chart of accounts where all the FI consultant is responsible to create chart of account ICOA. Okay. ICOA. Here it is a main cover or main container where your GL account will be stored in chart of accounts. So you are creating, company is creating various GL of account under chart of accounts. Then GBB is a inventory posting. Inventory posting variant. This is okay. Let me go OBYC. You will understand. Why it is happening again and again. Okay. So MIGO enter. So here enter the material, enter the quantity, enter the plant, enter the storage location, enter item. Okay. Check. This is the error. Open new window. Open new window. Again, let me check. This should be open. Okay. OBYC is the T code. OBYC is the T code. Configure accounting maintenance, accounting automatic post. So this is a automatic posting of our inventory. Okay. So here what it is showing, YCOA GBB, right? GBB, we have to go to the GBB. GBB is nothing but a transaction. Here you can see GBB. See GBB. GBB is nothing but it is a inventory posting. Just double click on this, you will get the pop-up, this pop-up. You have to enter chart of accounts. What is the chart of account? You can see this is a chart of account. First one is YCOA. YCOA. And in real-time project, this will be done by the MM consultant. We are not responsible. Okay, here. So whatever this blank is there, this blank is nothing but this one, valuation group code. For this valuation group code, okay, for this BSA is a general account modification. This is one of the again account sub account within the main account. Okay, so BSA. Okay, and what is the valuation area? Valuation class is 7920. This 7920 where we are maintaining? We are maintaining in Material Master under accounting view, right? If you see this, let me open. What is that? Okay, here, double click this. See under accounting view, 7920, right? This is this. Okay, 7920. Here we have to see 7920. Where 7920 is there? See, 7920 is there, BSA is there. But this combination is not there. This is showing blank. Okay. Now what you have to do? You have to assign this valuation group code to your valuation area. So this is not assigned. Because of that, you are getting the error. This code, whatever the valuation group code is there, this is not assigned to your valuation area. What is the T code to assign the valuation group code to your valuation area or company code? So there is a one T code called OMWD. OMWD is the account determination for valuation areas. See, valuation area is plant and company code. You have to assign your valuation group code. Okay, just click on position NRC1, enter. Okay, see NRC1, NRC1, YCOA chart of account. Here the valuation group code is not there. What is the valuation group code? It is the 0001. Copy this, paste this, enter, then save. Let me write. Okay. Go to OMWD T code. What is the T code? That is account determination for valuation area. Account determination for valuation area. Because why I am explaining means you will get all whoever the enterprise structure or structure has created, then business partner created, then material master created. Now you are going to face this error during the MyGo stock updation. So for that you have to do this configuration or settings. Okay. Assign valuation group code. Group code, that is 0001 to your valuation area and company code and chart of accounts, CHOA. Let me write chart of account. Okay, what is that? Here valuation area, this is nothing but a NRC1, your plant code. Okay, now company code, what is that? NRC1, chart of account, CHOA, that is YCOA. For this, you are assigning valuation group code, that is 0001. So I have assigned here, just save. भाई बार बार क्यों जा रहा भाई? Are you facing any server issue?
No, sir.
No, no.
Now issue is same, sir. My own is same.
Your issue facing this server issue, right?
Now only is facing issue.
Okay. I think maybe some server issue will be there. Okay, go to MyGo. Okay. For each time I have to start again and again. And this is not part of our SD consultant role. Just for the sake of testing purpose, I am showing you. Okay. So now document is okay because I have made the setting. What is that? OMWD. Let me go OMWD. See our setting is there or not. What is that? NRC1. It is assigned. So now it is there. In OBYC also. So what you have to do? First you have to go OBYC. Okay. And after that, let me enter here first. I will take this here. Here. Okay. Double click on GBB. Okay. That is inventory posting. Then enter your chart of account that is as seen in here. First one is chart of account. Second is GBB. So you have to double click on GBB, then enter the YCOA, note down the valuation group code, and then go to here. Okay, yeah. So now we have done everything is done. Now document is saying okay. See, if you click on the check button, document is okay. It means you can able to post the entries. Click on post, done. Okay, this is all about the basic steps to make the configuration settings to upload your stock. Everyone has to follow the same step. Okay, to fix your initial stock uploading error. If you have any doubt, you may ask.
Sir, can you please explain like what is posting period and that valuation group code? Like exactly what the meaning of that?
See, posting period, you are posting this document. So, okay, this is one of the document, goods receipt, right? This is the goods receipt. You are uploading your stock, correct?
Yes, sir.
So, which date you are posting? In today's date only, right? This is the date of posting. This is the date of document. Document date is today's date, and posting date is today's date only. What is the month? This is a fifth month, right? Whenever you have opened that MMPV or like during the check, you got that one pop-up message saying that key period is not open for this, right? So period is not opened. Earlier period has to be closed, then only you will get the current month period will be open. If you are not see, for example, see tomorrow is the 31st, right? So once the 31st is closed, what monthly activity will be done by the finance team? So the finance team will do the closure of the month activity. Any pending is there, like open like billings are there, open inventory is there, open any inventory like inventory closure is there, any open billing that document has to be posted, that is pending is there. Those kind of activity will be done by the and FI consultant. And for our SD consultant also, we will see any billing document which is not released to FI entries. Those kind of also we are going to check. Okay, if there is any pending is there, so we have to complete the activity. Okay, we have to complete the activity within the 31st or maximum first only, maximum first. If you are entering, if you are posting on the 1st of June, so its system will throws an error. That is again, what is that error? That error you got na, that period is not opened, right? That error you will get. Then what you will do? So you will open the current month period and we will close the previous month period. If you want to post in the back date, so there is another setting in the financial module. So they will do the back date posting. There is a one enable will be there, enable disable. They will tick that. If it is ticked for the enable backdate posting, you can able to post the backdate entries. For example, today is the 1st June. You want to post the document for the 31st May. Okay, to do that, you have to go to the finance department. You have to ask for the, I want to update the one entry in the back month. Okay, so that is pending for the entries. I have to close, but I didn't close on the time. Then only your FI consultant will help you to open the periods. That opening period is nothing but a MMPV. Okay. Otherwise, system will not, okay, not allow to you to post the entries. Since when I try to post the entries, it is showing that error, the posting period is not opened. Earlier posting periods are still, it is in open status, you have to close. Then only it will be opened. Again for next month, January, so June, na, first date, you try to post the entries. For example, you try to post the stock, you try to post the PGI, then you will face this issue. What issue? Same, period has not closed and June period has not opened. May period is not closed and June period is not opened. Then what you will do? Again, you will go here. What happened today? So much of issue. See MMPV. Again, what you will do? So on the first date of June, you will enter your company code. Okay. So what you will do? You will enter the sixth period, then 2025, then check and close, then execute. Then only it will happen. Currently, if you do, you will get some wrong message. Okay. So don't do this. So on first you have to do this, execute this, then only system will allow you to post the entries for the June month date. This is about the posting period or closure of the periods. Is it clear, Naresh?
Yes, sir. Means indirectly, like every month we have to close that. Like previous we have to close and new we have to open. That's
Correct.
okay.
See, this is not part of your job. Okay, this is a
Yeah.
part of MM and FI consultant will do.
Okay.
Okay.
And sir, what is the meaning of that valuation group code?
See, that is MM part. Okay, I do not aware about the valuation group code. Okay, what is that? But I know this setting. I explained. Okay, that valuation group code, why they are maintaining, uh, and OBYC, even the OBYC, why they are doing to post the entries, to automatic posting of the entries. Whenever you see, whenever you are posting the initial stock upload, right? There is a material document generation is there, right? So how the material document number get generated based on this OBYC setting. Okay, and even the PGI also, post goods issue. How it will be done? Based on this setting only. Where in that, instead of GBB, there will be a BSX will be there. BSX. So BSX is for cost of goods sold. Cost of goods sold. GBB is for inventory. Okay. See if you see OBYC. See BSX. Again, this is inventory posting for PGI. CHUIC. Okay. This is inventory posting for the cost of goods sold. Okay. So this will be this GL number you can see during the PGI process. And this inventory number, which one? The GBB. GBB, where it is there. This one. This BSA. Okay. BSA 700. And this GL number you can see during the your stock upload. So whenever you stock upload, this that will be heated into the this GL code. And whatever that BSX I shown, so that will be for your posting the goods issue means PGI. Clear?
Yes, sir. Means, sir, that GBB, like we are using this finished material, so that's why we are taking that valuation class as 7920, right?
Correct, correct. So this
If that
I
is
have
raw material, so it will be changed.
raw material means again it will be different.
Okay, sir. Got it.
Raw material is different, and for each type of material you will have a different
Different
valuation
place.
class.
Okay, sir.
And in that valuation class only, the amount is going to updated. With that valuation class, with the combination of valuation class and this posting variant, so that will be hitted to the GL code. Okay, so the combination you have seen, right? This combination you have seen. So for this combination only, your amount is getting updated into this GL code. Okay,
Okay, sir.
fine. Any others? Any other doubts? So all of you remember these steps. Okay, whenever you are posting the stock, you have to do this so much of transaction. So it will be there in the same sheet only. Okay. After that only your inventory will get updated. See, let us see MB52 slash n MB52. Let us NRC1 execute. See now dairy milk chocolate 100 quantity of 1000 rupees value. It got updated. So this is about the stock uploading into the system. Okay. So as of now, we have completed first one, second one, third one, and fourth chapter, and fifth chapter. Okay. Fifth chapter, I have to explain the CMIR. Customer master data is completed. Material master data is completed. Let us go CMIR first, then followed by OTC cycle. And this is also completed, right? BP configuration, customer master creation, it is completed. And partner determination procedure and partner functions. This is also completed. Now I am going to explain you CMIR and OTC process. Okay, let us go quickly. Create one sheet. CMIR. What is the CMIR? Customer Material Info Record. Info Record. Anyone is having idea what is the CMIR? Why we are using CMIR? Any idea? No idea. No problem. So you have to interact. If you are keep silent, then how can I understand whether you are able to understand or not? So you have to in between. You have to like message in the message box. Okay, if you are having any doubt or if you are having any issue, so you have to always raise your hand. Then ask the questions. If you are keep on see if you are not interacting, then it is very difficult you guys to understand the concept. You have to interact more, then only you will get more knowledge. Okay, no problem. I will explain what is the CMIR. CMIR is nothing but it is a customer material info record. See in the word itself, it is having the details. So there is a customer. Okay. Here I will take customer. Here is the company. Okay. Customer is having the material, right? His own material. So for example, he is also purchasing some material. Okay. From where he will purchase? He will purchase from company. Right? So whenever customer is placing an order to the company, okay, let us take, this is a, okay, customer, this is a, okay, let me take example of, okay, what example I shall take? Hmm. Okay, car company only. He is a dealer. He is a dealer. Okay, car dealer. Car dealer. And this is a Tata company. And whenever customer is placing an order, he will give PO, right? Customer will give purchase order to a company. In that purchase order, the customer is having his own nomenclature or naming of the material. Customer also using his own nomenclature or mentioning the material code within his system. So think that this is a customer system. Okay. In purchase order, he will mention, I want the Tata Nexon. He will mention the material code as Tata Nexon and Tata Harrier. Like this, he has mentioned the material code. This is a customer system. In customer system, the customer has created the material code as for Nexon car, he has mentioned Tata Nexon. For Harrier car, he has mentioned the Tata Harrier. Okay. Whereas this Tata company, they are also having their own internal material code, right? This is a company system. In company system, okay, in company system, he will issue the sales order. Okay. In response to the PO, purchase order, the company will issue the sales order. In sales order, what he will mention? Material code. So what he will mention? Nexon, maybe Nexon 500. So it's a variant. Okay. And Harrier 400. Like this, he has named the material. So he has created, company has created Nexon 500, which is equal to Tata Nexon, which is equal to customer's material code. This material code is nothing but a Nexon 500. Tata Harrier is nothing but a Harrier 400. So what happens in this case? Customer, whenever he is sending a PO, just simply he is mentioning the Tata Nexon. He is not mentioning the 500 or anything. There might be another code also. For example, here Nexon, he might be mentioned Tata Nexon 1 and here Tata Nexon 2. Okay. In company code, this is a Nexon 500. Here the Tata Nexon 2 is nothing but a Tata Nexon 400. So 1 means 500, 2 means 400. Okay. But How this company knows what is the meaning of Tata Nexon 1? Which material code he has to select, right? Which material code he has to select whenever he is going to create a sales order. So to link the customer material code to your company code material code, okay, your company code material code, there is a concept called as CMIR. You are linking a customer material code to your company's material code. That linking, that building a bridge between the connecting a bridge between the customer material code to company material code is called as a CMIR. How there is a one separate T code is called as VD51. VD51 and VD52 is the change. VD53 is the display. This is the concept. Because customer always issues a purchase order. Purchase order consists of a material code, okay, material code and the quantity and there is a again the PO validity date, purchase order validity date and purchase order number, purchase order date. So many things will be there within the purchase order. Okay. So this whenever company receives this purchase order, so based on the purchase order only, he is entering the sales order. He is creating the sales order. Let me show you how we will connect the customer material information, customer material code into company's material code. How we will connect? Let us see in this system. So that you will understand the concept. Password, then enter. Go to T code VD51. VD51. So once you enter into the system, you will have the customer sales organization and distribution channel. This will be a company system. Okay, this will be a business system. Okay, it is not a customer system. This is our system, SAP system. Here the customer code is, for example, okay, age. This is the customer. Okay, this is the sales organization is AH28. Okay, and here A. Okay, A0 is the distribution channel. Press enter. I am entering the material code of the customer. This customer. This is my customer. Press enter. This is a material number. This is a customer material number. This material number belongs to company's material code. Company's material code. What is my material code? Just see. I am entering the Sony LED TV. I have created in my company. I have created Sony LED TV. Here, customer will mention Sony. Okay, Sony 43 inch, 43 inch LED TV. Like this, he has mentioned. So this is a customer material code. This is a company's material code. Press enter. Okay, then save. Okay, let me go to sales order VA01. Enter. This is the order. Document type is order OR and division is A0. Let me see. What is the division? It is a A1. Television division is A1. Press enter, and this is the customer. We have updated the CMIR for this customer, right? Test test for CMIR. Here the date is today's date. Now I am not entering the company's material code. I am entering the customer material code. So this is a ordering party. So I have a PO copy. I have a PO customer's PO copy. He has given the order for the Sony 43-inch, okay, 43-inch LED TV. So based on the customer's like PO, you are entering the material code, customer's material code. So once you enter it, your system will automatically pick your company's material code. Just press enter. So enter the quantity, enter. See, it is automatically taking. How it is taking? This is getting the data from your CMIR record. VD 52 from this record. From this record. So you are entering your customer material and you are linking customer material code to the company code, company's material code. So because why we are maintaining this, customer is in his PO, he is mentioning always his material code. Okay, not your material code. Your material code is different from customer material code. To map that, so you are using a concept called CMIR, customer material info record. And in the customer material info record, there is a one more concept. There is a plant determination. The plant will be where it is. Okay, here. The plant determination of plant is always into sales order. Whenever you are entering your sales order, na here, just go here, sales, just scrolling to right. This plant AH28, how it is coming? This is automatically coming into your sales document based on 4 level. So whenever you have maintained plant determination, how it will be determined into the sales document means plant determination into sales document. Sales document. So first always it will check a CMIR record. CMIR. Second, if CMIR record is not having a plant, so then it will go to the customer master. Customer master. Third, it will be material master. Okay. Last option, if you are not maintaining in all the 3 records, you have to input manually. So let me show you where is the plant maintaining. So defining of your plant into the CMIR record, I will show you here. Just double click this. See, here there is a plant option. Shipping, right? If you maintain here AH28, this plant. Okay, now, so I am going to another window. I am deleting the MM02. Sorry, in customer master also there will be there. Okay, customer master is BP. BP, what is your customer? It is AS28 customer 1. Double click this. Double click this. Go to FLCU01, that is sales and distribution view. SD view. See, click on change button. In the shipping tab, you will have a delivering plant. Now I am going to delete here. Okay, I am going to delete here. Save. I'm going to delete here, and even though I'm going to MM01 Material Master, MM02 is your Material Master change. Sony LED TV is the material. Double click AH00, AH01. Enter. So plant data will be sales up here. Delivering plant is under sales arg1. I'm deleting this. Okay. So let me go again. See, I have deleted the plant in customer master also, plant in material master also. But now I have maintained plant here. Okay. Whether we'll see whether this plant will be determined automatically or not. Again, we'll go to the new screen /n VA01, enter. Order type is OR, sales organization is AH28, wholesale, distribution channel, and it one is the division, that is television division, TV division. So customer is AH28, customer 1. Check plant determination is the test. Okay, we are doing the plant determination test. Today's date. Let me enter the Sony LED TV. Okay. Once I enter here, automatically customer material number will come here automatically. Just observe here. Just observe here. Okay. Enter. See, automatically it is coming. How it is coming? Based on my PD51 CMIR record. If you scroll to the right, just scroll. See, AH28 automatically it is coming. How this is coming? Because of your CMIR record. Now go here. Let us go change the CMIR record. So I am into the CMIR record. I'm changing. I'm double clicking this. I'm deleting this. I'm deleting this entry also. Save. Now I do not have plant code here, and plant code assignment in customer master, and plant code assignment in material master also not there. In these three records, it is not there. Now what is the option? I have to enter manually. So let us see and check whether this is determining or not. Let us go again, start with fresh screen, VA01, enter. OR is the order type, same sales area, press enter, customer code. This is the test check plant determination, today's date, and Sony LED TV, and quantity is 10. Just enter. So LED TV, everything it is coming. Fine. Go here. See, now plant is not coming. Why this is plant is not coming? Because I have deleted in all the three records. Now what is the option? I have to enter it manually. AH28. Okay. Let me go again. I will maintain in my material master. So whether system will determine or not. You can see here. Code change material. So you can go to here. MM02. MM02 is the changing the material details. Enter. Continue. Okay. This is a 01 because 01 is the television storage location. Enter. Now sales arg1 here, delivering plant. I will mention AH28. Enter. Save. Now I have entered. Go back again. Start with new screen. VA01, enter, same ORS, everything is same. Customer, enter, check plant determination. Right here, enter the material Sony LED TV. Order quantity is 10. Enter. So scroll to right. See, now it is coming. How this is coming? This is coming from my Material Master. And try similarly by maintaining, deleting in the Material Master, check by maintaining in Customer Master. Then delete here also, check by maintaining here. So you will get the idea. So this is how about in interview they will ask question. How your plant will be determined into your sales document. So what is your answer? You should answer. So my plant will be determined at 3 levels. Okay. First, the sequence of checking the plant determination is first system will check the CMIR record. What is the CMIR record? Customer Material Info Record. This one. Okay. So first it will check under VD51 if the customer and material record info record will have a plant assignment, then plant will be determined into my sales document. If there is no CMIR, plant is not assigned in the CMIR, next it will go to the next step is customer master. So the sequence of checking is first CMIR, next it will jump into the customer master. If customer master also not having the plant into it, then it will go to the material master. If material master is having plant, then system will be automatically triggering the plant into the sales document. If here also it is not there, the last option is manual. This is how you have to explain. Clear?
Yes.
Any doubt in this?
No, sir, as of now. No, sir.
No, sir.
Others?
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
Srivani, Shreya, Suchita,
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
the concept is clear, right? What is CMIR and what is how plant will be determined. So these two I have. So simply because why this concept CMIR come into picture means normally customer whenever he issue a PO, in PO he will mention his material code. He will not mention the company's material code. Then how company will know the which material code it is belongs to? Right, sometimes for example very like very complicated material, like so some customer, like for example he will say my board size is required for 18 mm, like this he has mentioned, whereas company will mention M18 simply and M16. So how the company knows whether this is a M18 or M16? So that's why whenever they do the contract signature, right, sales and purchase contract will be signed. After that, the company will request the list of their materials. Then customer will issue the list of materials like this board 16 mm. Okay, and spanner 20 mm. So like this, company will ask to customer, send your material list. So based on this list, company will map to their material code. So company is having material code as M18, here M16, here he will say S20. So like this, he will do the mapping through the VD51. But whenever company is creating a sales order, VA01, during that they will enter this, they will copy this simply. Okay, they will copy this and they will paste into the sales order screen here, into the sales order screen. They will do normally in the third ordering party. See, there is a ordering party is there, right? Folder. So there is tab. So they will go here I think they have set the very minimal time to close, log off automatically. Otherwise, it will not log off immediately. Minimum it will take 2-3 minutes. Why slow? Immediately it is logging off. Let me check with the server provider. See, VA01. VA01 model VA28 VA01 enter. See, normally what the sales team member, like end user, what he will do, he will simply go here, ordering party. So now he will mention, he will copy the customer material. See, this is a customer material number. Okay, and this is a PO item. Simply he will copy from this, he will paste here. Once press enter, automatically this is a company's material code. This he will get the material details automatically. So based on this, so he is going to do the delivery, picking, packing, everything. This is the detail about the CMIR record. Hope this is clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fine. So now CMIR is complete, CMD is complete, MMD is complete. Now what shall I do? So for OTC, at least I need complete one class because it is a vast subject. So what shall I explain? Okay, another. Okay, no problem. Today we'll close soon. So if you have any doubt, you can ask. Otherwise, how about tomorrow?
Mm, Sir, what I think is like we will practice tomorrow. Okay. There's no point in going forward, right? If we are not practicing.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We need some
Yes, sir.
practicing.
Yes, I do agree because you need enough time to practice because we have completed so much of topics, right? We have completed so much of topic from enterprise structure, master data, in the master data BP configuration. So those who are getting confused about the BP configuration, if you are having doubt, so you can ping me. If you want to connect one to one, you are always welcome. Okay, I'm here, you guys to help you. Okay, so do not hesitate. Do not hesitate and do not afraid also. Treat me as a you are one of the best friend. Okay. So sometimes
Sure.
Naresh, Akash, see, they are always, even though Kishore also, they are always interacting in the midnight. So always I am going to explain, like I am going to answer during the midnight also. Right? Naresh, Akash, Kishore,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
even though Suchita and Mani, they are also started pinging me in the night. So they ask in the night also. So you also start because finally you are here for the learning. You are gaining the knowledge of SAP because you want to put your leg into the SAP world. Okay, try to practice more because BP configuration initially you will find very difficult, but as per my knowledge, as per my understand, it is nothing. It is very negligible in related to the difficulties. You will not find difficulties if you do more hands-on. And Material Master, it is very simple. You don't think so, it will be very difficult for you. Only the important part is this one, because this is more related to MM and FI integration. So if you find these difficulties, you can solve by using these following steps. And this is out of box. No one will explain. So why I explain? Because you have to do independently. This is a additional knowledge for you. So whenever the situation comes during the real time also, you can suggest or you can answer to your team member or someone, oh, this is the setting you are not done, right? This will give additional skills. So they will appreciate you. Oh, you have MM knowledge also. You have a FI knowledge also. Correct me if I'm wrong.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Because I faced, even the Kishore knows very well. Kishore, do you agree this?
Yes, sir, I agree.
Okay. So because when we were also learning now, so we face lot of issues. This is very negligible, I can say. Plenty of issues while posting the stock. I have faced so many issues. I learned because I worked hard, so I spent more time on in the system. I know it is very difficult for you, but at least try during the weekends, during the holidays.
Yes, sure, sir.
Okay, no problem. So if you have any doubts, you can ask. Otherwise, we'll stop because I'm going to give you enough time. So I think tomorrow, are you working or how? It is holiday for everyone.
No, it's already for
It's
everyone,
already.
I guess.
Okay, then you will have enough time, right? Now after 9 o'clock, again after dinner, you can start at least 2 3 hours practice. Then tomorrow, day after tomorrow, I want to see from everyone. Monday, you have your own customers, minimum 5 customers and minimum 5 materials, and those materials should be updated with your stock. Because Monday I am going to explain OTC cycle. So very important and very so interesting topic.
Okay, sir.
See, fine. If you are not having any doubts, we'll end the sessions.
Sir, can you explain like what is Incoterms?
In code terms. Fine. So very good questions. I appreciate. See, here shall I explain in code terms in customer master better. Because it is coming under customer master only. Inco terms. Do you know what is in and co?
Mm, No.
Yes, sir.
Just tell me what is that in co?
International commerce terms.
International commercial terms.
Terms.
See, usually Inco terms is applicable for export. It is applicable for export. It is applicable for export because as in the name itself, it is a international commercial terms. Commercial terms, what is the commercial term? How you are going to buy your product, like who is having risk. So risk transformation. Usually this is related to the risk transferring. Risk transferring. What happen usually in the business as a export or import? Usually what happens? This is my okay. I am from India. I'm from India, and the customer is from USA. Customer is from USA. I'm exporting my products. I'm exporting my cars. I'm doing exporting of cars. Okay. Here the customer is okay importing the cars. So customer is saying, I need a cars that should be okay. So that value of the product or delivery terms or Incoterms should be it is CFR or Incoterm should be my CIF. Okay. Incoterm should be FOB. Okay. Incoterm should be X works. There are multiple Incoterms are there like this. See here, the Incoterm CFR indicates this is a cost. C means cost. FR means freight. Freight is nothing but it is a transportation freight. Transportation freight. Which transportation freight? You are exporting to overseas countries, right? Either it may be a air transportation or sea transportation. If you are using a flight mode, right? You are dispatching, you are shipping your cargo or your product through the flight, then it will be air transportation. If you are shipping your product through sea, through ship, it is a sea transportation. And for that, whatever may be the charges incurred, right? From India, and from India, I can say I will take as example my Chennai port. Chennai. So I am dispatching, I am shipping from my Chennai port. Okay. And here I am shipping to, okay, I am shipping to, there is a port called in USA. There is a, for example, take San Francisco port. So in USA, there is a San Francisco port. From Chennai port to what San Francisco port. So if you are shipping your product car through sea, whatever may be the sea transportation cost, that charge is occurring, right? So that cost also will be added into the invoice. So whenever company, this car export company, so think that this is a Tata Motors, Tata company is generating an invoice. If Tata is generating an invoice, he will mention cost. Okay. Cost involves the basic price, discount, okay, discount, and for example, discount and other, what is that? Freight. Freight is nothing but a sea freight. Sea freight. This sea freight is like from where to where? From Chennai port to Chennai port to San Francisco port. So all three together, whatever you are recovering from customer, that is called as a CFR. These two are cost. These two are cost, and this is a freight. FR. This Incoterm is called as a CFR. Cost and freight. So what is your role? Your role is as a supplier, as a company, you are selling to your customer. So your plant is in, think that your plant is in Bengaluru. Okay. Think that Bengaluru, your plant is having in Bengaluru. Okay. From plant to port, you have to ship, right? Plant to port, you have to dispatch the car, right? The car. This will comes under by road transportation. For that also you have to pay the freight, right? For inland movement, this will be called as a by road transportation, called as a inland movement. Inland transportation. It will be called as inland transportation. From plant to port, how you will move? Through the truck. Truck is required. Who is going to supply the truck? From the transporter. So for that, you are paying the freight charges. That cost also you are taking, and car car conversion cost. Let me mention here cost. What is that? I will take cost or pricing elements. Okay, elements. So that you will understand. Here there is a basic price or selling price. Okay, and here the discount. Okay, here the what is that? Inland freight. Inland freight. Okay, this is inland freight is nothing but a this local movement from plant Bangalore to Chennai. I will mention Bangalore to Chennai. Okay, again sea freight. Before sea freight, so once it reaches to port, okay, once it reaches to port, there is a port handling charges will be there. Okay, port handling charges. Because in port, after reaching, you have to unload the truck, right? That and you have to pay the space utilization within the port. You are utilizing the port's area, port's land. That charges you have to bear. Okay, and so after reaching the car, you have to do the customs clearance. That customs clearance, you are using a third party for customs clearance. Customs clearance charges also you have to bear. Okay, so many charges will come. Okay, and then sea freight, and parallelly after shipping the goods from sea freight, where to where? It is Chennai to San Francisco. And then last is BL charges. BL charges, that is bill of lading. So there is a separate document. How? So in inland, the lorry receipt, as I said, right? POD or LR copy. How it will be issued in if you use the sea freight or ship transportation, you will have the bill of lading. Okay. In case of air, it will be called as airway bill. Airway bill. So this is a just document, transportation document, proof of the dispatching shipment of the cargo. Okay, bill of lading. This will be issued by the ship owner. Okay, ship owner and ship supplier. Okay, so this is also having a charges. Charges. Whatever these charges are there, these charges you are recovering from customer. Recovering from customer. And supplier means companies risk will be till onboarding at Chennai port only. What it means, whenever your car is reaching to Chennai port, so after that there is a ship, right? Ship will come and ship will be boarded into the boarding dock. Then car will be onboarded to ship. So once it touches to the car will touches to the ship's platform, then the seller means company's risk will be transferred to the customer. If anything damage happen inside the vessel, the customer like company's risk will be entirely transferred to the customer's scope. That risk transferation is nothing but a Incoterms. In case CI of Incoterm, so Here the company will add one more component, cost, freight, and insurance. Tata company, whenever they are exporting to the San Francisco, they will charge to customer cost and freight and insurance also. This insurance is nothing but a from factory to till the San Francisco port. San Francisco port, whatever the movement is there, if anything goes wrong or if anything goes damages, then Tata company is responsible. Means entire risk is responsibility of Tata company till it reaches to the customer location. That is nothing but a CIF. And that whatever the charges incurred for the CIF, that will be recovered from the customer. First company will bear, and then later it will be recovered through sales invoice. This is about the Incoterm. Like that, there are a lot of Incoterms are there. If required, I will share you one just one picture or one resource. You go through this. Okay, then you will get the idea where the risk transformation will happen. FOB means till onboarding only, till onboarding to the vessel. So that is only. But where freight will not be there. Freight will not come into the picture. No freight. No freight. So here freight will be directly paid by the customer to the ship owner or ship transporter. Usually the ship transporter is called as a liners. Usually the liners are shipping lines. We called as a shipping lines. So how for the truck we called as a transporter like that, na? So similarly for the ship, it is a liners or shipping lines. Okay. X work means from factory to till destination of customer. Entire scope is or responsibility is lying with customer. Lies with customer. So customer has to place the truck. Okay. Customer has to place the truck at a Tata factory. Then that truck will take it to the Chennai port. Then for that, again, he will pay the port handling charges. Who? Customer. Then after that, again, he will do the customs clearance. Okay. Then sea freight and bill of lading charges. Then insurance, whatever may be there. So entire will be a customer scope. This is about the Incoterms. In simple, CFR insurance will not come into the picture. Only the onboarding, till onboarding, risk will be taken by the supplier and he will pay freight charges also, then it will be recovered. CIF, till reaches to the destination, whatever will be the charges incurred, entire supplier will bear, and even though in transit anything damage happened, the supplier itself he is going to handle. And for this case, CFR case, the customer will open the he will make the insurance. He will use the insurance agency to open the insurance. But here in FOB, no freight till port, till Chennai port, and till onboarding, whatever the cost is incurred, that will be paid by the supplier. And once it is onboarded, the risk will be transferred to him and he has to pay the sea transportation charges also. X works from factory to till customer location. Whatever may be the entire end-to-end logistics is there, that will be paid by the customer. This is all about the Incoterm. Incoterm is nothing but a delivery terms. In domestic case, we called as a delivery terms. Okay. So usually international commercial terms, Incoterms is there na once in a 10 years, once in a 10 years it will be revised. 10 years it will be updated or upgraded or revised, whatever may be you can say. So usually we called as a 2010 version, 2020 version. Now whatever it is going on, it is a Incoterm 2020 version. We called as Incoterm 2020 version. If you see here, so just 2 minutes, huh? Within the BP also you will have, will show you where it will. Under the billing, see Incoterm version. You can see 2010, 20. Once in a 10 year, it will be revised. And here you can see the Incoterms. So many Incoterms will be there. CFR, CIF, okay, and XWork, XW, right? Then FOB. So many will be there. DDU, delivery duty unpaid, delivery duty paid. Okay. So many things will be there. CIP. CIP will come into the inland export. Nepal, Bhutan. So we will use this CIP Incoterm for Nepal and Bhutan. Okay. But as far as my knowledge for domestic, okay, for domestic sales, you will use CFR, okay, CFR and XWork. Only these two. And inland transportation, automatically the insurance is covered by the supplier only. Okay. For inland transportation, for domestic movement, local movement, it will be automatically covered in the fire policy. There is a fire insurance policy will be there from the supplier that will be covered for the inland transportation. Okay. And XWork, if the customer is placing an order with the XWork delivery term, the customer has to place the truck sign. He has to take the goods from factory to till his destination. That is about the XWork. Hope this is clear, Akash.
Yes, sir. Sir, if you were to define in simple language, how would you define this, like Incoterms?
See, if you define in simple language, so there is a one thing is cost incurred. Who is going to bear the cost from one point to another point? That is one thing. And risk transformation.
Okay.
These
Got
two
it, sir.
terminology you have to use.
Yes, sir.
Cost incurred during the movement of goods from one point to another point, that cost, and the risk transformation.
Okay, sir.
Hope others, it is very difficult you guys to understand, but if you are thoroughly like go into the in deep, then you will definitely get this concept. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fine, but this is not applicable in domestic. Huh? Don't worry on that part. In domestic, normally only it is CFR or XWorks. XW, these two only. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Anything else? If you don't have, so we'll end the sessions. Practice well, and Monday I will ask everyone's material code, customer code. I want to see everyone's details. Kindly post in the group. So guys, see you on Monday. Have a happy weekend.
Thank you, sir.
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 You're welcome. Mani, Suchita, Nagesh,
Yes, sir.
Yes.
let me stop recording. We'll ask